I got her to sleep. Again.
I called the hospital. Kelly has regained consciousness, but they still haven't heard back about the x-rays.
You should have stayed there.
Why? They'll call back when they know something.
You should give him the number at the hospital of your hotel suite.
What?
You heard me.
Julia, you're being really silly about
I'm
this.
being incredibly calm and logical under the circumstances. I don't want you to stay here tonight.
We are both much too upset to be making these kinds of decisions.
No, this is a very sane decision. I need to protect our daughter. I know that you would never hurt her sober, Mason. The problem is I just don't know what you'll do when you're drinking.
Well, I already promised.
I don't believe you. I want you out. I want you out.